Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to delete chat history on Claude AI. So the first thing that you'd like to do, open any browser, go to Claude AI right away. Make sure that you're logged in to your account that you want to delete the chat on. Of course, you have options to delete your history chats on Claude AI. If we go first of all to this left panel, we'll find a chat option right here. Just go and click on that. And here, as you can see, you'll find many chats. If you're looking to delete a specific chat, just look for the chats that you want to delete. As an example, this one, click on the three dots and you do have a delete option. So you'll find if you are sure that you want to delete this chat, just go and click on delete. And as you can see, the chat will be deleted. If you want to delete all of them, you can, as an example, try to select them all using this option. Of course, how can you find this option? You can just go to the first chat and go to the top of it and click on it. If you still can't find it, just go and select a specific chat. Then you'll find this selected at the top. Click on it once and every chat will be selected. If every chat is selected, you can click on this button and as you can see, it will delete all the chats that you have. And keep in mind, if you want to delete it, it's permanent. So if you delete them, you can't come back. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.